Hello everyone, this is Kelly Augustine, and this one right here is called Bottle Rockets and whether that's about to be stormy. So as we zoom in, we see the bottle rockets right there in place. And now we wait. And now we go to light it. There we go. Good. That was one. Let's see. Whoa. No. Not that high. So as you can see, it's very hard to catch a bottle rocket when it's flying in the air like that. But we're going to try this again. There we go. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke. And this is July, a week, 2 weeks after the 4th of July. And this is going to be bad. Backing up. Actually, today's date is July 18th. So yeah, 2 weeks after the 4th of July. But we still got bottle rockets and we're going to blow them up before they go bad. Ooh. Ow. That's not good. And as you can see, the grass is very dry, so it's killing. So if I leave it, it's going to catch on fire, and then I get in trouble for lighting bottle rockets. And for anyone who doesn't know what a bottle rocket is, these are made out of gunpowder. So when they ignite, they fly into the air and explode. And that one, second to last. Woo! Wow. Okay. Last one. And then we are done for this year. Uh-oh. Last one didn't work. So we're gonna do this one more time. And that's what happens when you try and light a bottle rocket when it's halfway lit. It goes flying into the air and almost explodes in your fucking face. Well, that is it for all of them, unless there's more inside. Oh, that's just not right. So yep, that is it for Bottle Rocket Madness, which concludes another 4th of July late fireworks celebration. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again next year.